Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're exploring a revolution that's going to change the way we see the world. It all began with a groundbreaking innovation by Neuralink. We are fortunate enough to see the world around us. We don't realize how blessed we are. We wake up to the soft glow of dawn, marvel at the colors of a sunset, and navigate the world with ease. But for millions of people worldwide are not fortunate enough to see this beauty. The memory of seeing is far away for them. Imagine waking up to darkness every day, navigating through a world shrouded in shadows, unable to witness the beauty of a blooming flower or the smile on a loved one's face. For these individuals, the gift of sight isn't just a luxury. It's a fundamental need, a gateway to experiencing life in its fullest splendor. Is there any hope for them? Today, we're going to explore how technology is changing the lives of those who have never seen, giving them the gift of vision. Let's explore the world with bionic eyes and neural implants, where science meets humanity to create miracles. The story begins with the innovation of the Blindsight implant by Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk, an innovation that promised to restore vision to those who had never seen before. Recently, Musk took to social media to unveil an astonishing breakthrough, the Blindsight implant. He revealed that the Blindsight implant has already shown promising results, hinting at its potential to surpass normal human vision in the future. But that was just the beginning. What is waiting for us? As the Blindsight implant gained popularity, Neuralink kept pushing the boundaries of possibilities. They introduced the N1 chip. So what's going to happen with this? Is it capable of granting humans a third eye? This eye, powered by thousands of electrodes seamlessly connected to the brain's neural network, opened up a world of possibilities. Imagine a world where your vision isn't limited to what your eyes can see. With the N1 chip, humans will have access to a whole new dimension of perception. For many, the prospect of having a Blindsight implant is both exciting and daunting. But as more people embrace technology, the world will change in ways we never imagined. As more people integrate the N1 chip into their lives, our perception of reality will evolve. The world will become a canvas of endless wonder. In the future era, anyone can have a third eye implanted if they wish. Some may want to enhance their natural vision, while others will want to explore new realms of perception. With this third eye implant, people will see a transformed world. Colors will seem brighter, details sharper, as if a veil has been lifted from their eyes. But the real magic of the third eye will be its abilities beyond normal vision. With mere thought, people will be able to switch between different modes, each offering unique perspectives. Imagine being able to see through walls, perceive the world in infrared or ultraviolet, or even visualize data streams directly in your field of vision. Infrared mode will allow them to see heat signatures, even in the dark. Without light, you will navigate through the night. Ultraviolet mode will reveal fluorescent colors, exposing hidden patterns that were once invisible to the naked eye. Augmented reality overlays will provide real-time data about their surroundings, turning everyday life into a digital playground. With a simple thought, humans will activate their third eye's empathic mode. They will sense the emotions of those around them. Imagine feeling the joy of a child's laughter or the sadness of a friend in need, all without a word spoken. As they watch the children laugh and play, they will feel a sense of joy and connection that goes beyond words. But the real power of the third eye will be its ability to connect humanity on a deeper level. Everyone understands each other better, where there are no barriers to empathy and where everyone feels united. With the third eye, this future can be a reality. Humanity will experience a renaissance of perception. Thank you for being with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-expanding content. Hit the bell icon to get notifications for upcoming videos.